2024. If you want to get the job in software industry that without coding, then Microsoft Power BI is for you guys. Why? Because this is the one trending and booming related tool right now in 2024. There are so many opportunities for every particular business. Data is very important. With the data only, business people going to take the decisions. So if the particular data need to be presented in the form of the reports, in the form of dashboards, business people going to use the Power BI tool only. That is the reason it is booming. If you people learn this skill right now, you people can able to get the job in software industry in less than 90 days, guys. So Analytics Benchmark is offering free Power BI demo session this weekend. If you want to attend the free demo, simply call to above number or else simply click on this video and book your free slot. Our team going to call and explain all the details and you can able to attend free demo and can able to get the dream job what you are expecting right now. Thank you so much.